Good morning, my dear students. Yes, as our English class is going on today, I am going to teach you Unit 2. Yes, and this Unit 2 is poem named Trees. Trees, Rukh haru. We all can see trees around us. Yes, we all are familiar with trees. I mean, सबैले trees देखेका छौं. Yes, and this poem Trees is written by Harry Ben, and today I am going to recite this poem and tell the meaning, that what the poet is actually want to say in this poem. Yes, and please students, look at your screen for the poem and I will recite the poem for you all.
Okay students, now I am going to start explaining and reciting the poem Trees, written by Harry Ben. So look at the screen given there. Trees. Before starting any lesson or poem, there we have pre-reading section. In this pre-reading, we have to describe about the things which are going to learn. So first of all, the first question is, where do we see trees? Yes, where do you see trees? We can see trees everywhere around us, near our houses. Yes, we all have seen trees. Can we get fresh air if there are no trees? No, we cannot get fresh air because trees are the one who gives us fresh air. So if there are no trees, we cannot get fresh air. Does it rain if there are no trees? No, because trees plays a vital role in raining process. So without trees, raining is also impossible. Okay, now read the following poem. Now students, please read the following poem with me. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our house of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night, and when the moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleeping children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know, by Harry Ben. This poem is written by Harry Ben, and he is explaining here about trees, that trees are the very kind thing which we knows, because trees, they do not harm us. यसले हामीलाई कुनै पनि हानि गर्दैन. यस, and they simply grow. आफ्नै वेमा यो बढिराख्छ. यस, and spread shade for sleepy cows. It gives shade, छाहारी दिन्छ. यस, it gives shade, छाहारी दिन्छ. sleepy cows, निदाउन लागिरहेको सुस्त काउहरूलाई, गाईहरूलाई. यस, and gather birds among their boughs, and boughs in branches. In their branches they gather birds. आफ्नो हाँगाहरूमा उसले चराहरूलाई राख्छ. They give us fruit in leaves above. Yes, tree gives us fruit, मिठो मिठो फल दिन्छ, and wood to make our house of, and it gives wood to make furnitures, doors and windows of our house, and leaves to burn on Halloween. Yes, Halloween is a festival celebrated in America, Canada, British. Yes, where children dress up themselves as ghosts, and then they burn leaves of trees and celebrate Halloween. पत्ताहरू जलाएर Halloween मनाउँछन्. Yes, भूत बनेर. And in the spring new birds of green, and in spring बसन्तमा नयाँ birds कोपिलाहरू दिन्छ. Yes, they are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. And बिहान दिनको सुरुवात हुँदाखेरि, yes, they are the first to touch beams, rays of sun. बिहानीको सूर्यको किरणलाई छुने पहिलो के हो त? ट्री, रुख नै हो. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. र राति, इभिनिङ, अब बेलुका चाहिँ रातिमा चेन्ज हुने बेलामा, they are the only one who hold the light for the last time. उनीहरूले नै लास्टमा लाइटलाई छोएको हुन्छन्. Yes, and when the moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. Means, and when moon floats in the sky, जब sun गएर, yes, when sun goes away and moons come to sky, they sing a drowsy lullaby. Hum means to sing, गाउनु. Drowsy means सुस्त, निदाइरहेको, sleepy. Lullaby, lori, a song which is sung to a baby while making them sleep. बच्चालाई सुताउनलाई गाइने गीत lori. Yes, and then the trees sings lullaby and make children sleep. And trees are very kindest thing because trees do not expect anything from us but gives many things to us. Trees ले हामीबाट केही पनि लिँदैन तर हामीलाई धेरै कुराहरू दिएको हुन्छ. So trees are the most kindest things that poet knows.
Okay, students, this was your poem Trees with its meaning, that what poet wants to tell us about trees. Now I feel that you all are clear about the poem. So I will continue with the work and exercises of this poem in coming days. So please stay home, stay safe and learn this poem by heart. Thank you.